Hi guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing well. I am enjoying a Lynchburg lemonade today. It's called Lynchburg because it's made with Jack Daniels, and that's where Jack Daniels is made, in Lynchburg, Tennessee. This is a very refreshing drink, very easy to make. Salud! Into this tumbler with ice, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of Jack Daniels whiskey. I'm going to add an ounce of triple sec. This is triple sec. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 4 ounces of lemon lime soda. This can be Sprite, 7-Up. I'm using Blue Sky because it's got 0 sugar, so any lemon lime. So 4 ounces. If you would sub, I would really appreciate that. Turn on your little notification button. Give me a like for this video and comment at the bottom. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you. Oh yeah. That is nice. You could make this with other whiskey, just don't call it Lynchburg, and it'll be fine. Very much like a fizzy whiskey sour. It's delicious. Please enjoy responsibly, and I'll see you soon.